In this video, we will demonstrate how to obtain valuable insights from the Machine Information Insights dashboard. This dashboard contains mostly machine-related information, which helps you determine the overall status of machines such as warranty expiration, compliance, health predictions from our machine learning algorithm, estimated cost of replacement, and other valuable information. So let's get started. To access the dashboard, move your mouse to the navigation bar on the left side and click on Dashboards or Insights. Please select Machine Insights and the dashboard will open. The first screen or tab is called the Summary screen. This is the summarized information for all the other tabs on this dashboard. This tab will show you a variety of information which is helpful to understand the current state of your assets. The Financial tab shows you estimated replacement costs for some of your devices, not including virtualized assets or local area network equipment. You will see that Audix helps you arrange your assets by cost and by year to give you a picture of how to budget for such equipment when it is time to replace such equipment. The next tabs, such as Health, Health Details, and Health History, are the output of our machine learning recommendation engine. This engine is designed to provide recommendations regarding the state of an asset. These recommendations can either be okay, meaning nothing is to be done because the asset is healthy, check, meaning the engine recommends to check the asset because something may be wrong with it, or fix, meaning the engine recommends to fix the asset because something is wrong with it. At the bottom of the Health tab, you will see a table with detailed information. This information explains how the recommendation was made and what area may have caused the problem. The CPU health status of fix means that the CPU has been above 80% every time Audix scans the asset. The CPU health status of check means the CPU has been above 50 and less than 80% every time Audix scans the asset. The memory health status of fix means the available memory is below 10%. A status of check will be if the memory is below 20% and above 10%. The disk space status of fix means the available space is below 10%. A status of check will be if the space is below 20% and above 10%. The error health status of fix means there have been over 60 errors dashboarded on that asset. A recommendation of check means that there have been over 30 errors and less than 60. The disk error status of fix means there's a physical defect dashboarded on that hard drive. The machine learning engine will recommend the proper diagnostic and the output will be shown on the recommendation column of this table. The next tab, called Health Details, shows additional information from the previous tab. However, it shows it in greater detail. You'll see, for example, CPU frequency, memory frequency, etc. Frequency refers to the number of times the check or fixed state has been appearing consecutively. For example, if a health frequency shows 43, that means this particular asset has had a non-okay recommendation 43 times, and it should be looked at with a higher priority. The next tab is called Health History. This tab shows the historical daily health recommendations to show health trends and to help identify anomalies over time. The next tab is called Operating Systems. This tab shows information regarding different versions of Windows operating systems found. Also, it shows which users and which machines have such installed. This information is useful when performing operating system upgrades to get an accurate list of operating systems and versions. The next tab, called Warranty, shows information regarding the vendor warranty for the assets. At this time, only Lenovo, HP, and Dell warranties are received from the manufacturers. This information is useful to identify machines whose warranties have expired or are soon to be expired. Also, the information provides an estimation of the age of the asset through the product warranty. If the product is not one of the supported warranty vendors, the age will be estimated from the last time the operating system was installed. The Manufacturer tab shows information regarding asset counts per manufacturer and models. This information also merges information regarding age, type of asset such as laptop, desktop, virtual, and operating system. The Compliance tab shows information regarding the last time a machine was patched with a Microsoft operating system update. This information is useful while looking for ways to reduce risk. The Users tab shows information regarding the list of users contained in an Active Directory. This information is useful when performing Active Directory migrations in order to account for all users and which machines they log on to. The Status tab is designed to give you a high-level status of assets Audix can access and not access. There are 4 major categories. Active. These are machines which Audix can access and scan successfully. Inaccessible. These are machines which Audix is not able to access or scan, but it can ping them. There could be several reasons, such as the asset is a Windows machine and does not have a domain administrator user account in the local administrators group, or the asset is not a Windows device. Inactive. Inactive assets are not accessible and they cannot be pinged. Reasons could be the asset is behind a firewall or it is not on the network or powered on. Unknown. These are devices which do not fall into any of the previous categories. The Location tab shows the location of assets geographically. The location is based on the IP address geolocation of the Internet Gateway. The Detail tab shows all the information contained on this dashboard in a tabular format. This information can be easily exported into a CSV file in order to be analyzed with tools like spreadsheets. This concludes our video. Thank you for your interest in Audix Insights.